In this video, we will export opportunity records, update the data in the exported file, and then import the file back into Goldmine to update the corresponding opportunity record. So first, let us export the opportunity record from Goldmine. We need to create an export process. And specify the destination of the exported file. We accept the defaults, and we need to only export the project's opportunities, and so we select opportunities here. Now we can select the fields that we want to export. So for example, we would want to export the account now, the contact name, and the company name associated to the opportunity record, notes, the opportunity record name, the close amount, and stage. You may select all of these fields if you need to. If you need to update a particular field after you have exported it, then you can select any or all of these fields. One thing to take note, however, is that we also need to make sure that we export the account now and the record ID. These two fields will allow us to quickly identify a matching record in Goldmine if we need to import the data back into the system to update the matching record. So let's click OK in here, and we should be done and ready to export the data. We simply click on Run Process. And click OK. So if we go to our export folder, we see that we have exported one file, which is the opportunity.csv file. We open it in Excel, and as you can see, we have that one particular record. So now, assuming that we have sent this file to a remote sales rep, and the remote sales rep needs to update this file with new information so that we can import that data back into our Goldmine system and have it updated automatically instead of us manually typing it in. So for example, the close amount has been changed to 1200, and we can type something in the notes as well as Friday. There you go. So now we can simply save this file, save our changes. So now we need to update our Goldmine records by importing that file that was just updated. So currently, the opportunity record that we have in Goldmine has a close amount of 900, and if we look at the notes, it has no notes. So let's try to import that data into Goldmine. So we create a new process. This time, instead of an export, we are going to have an import process, and I'm going to say import opportunity, and it's asking us what tasks we would like to perform. We would like to import opportunity data, and we hit next. Now it's asking us for the data source for this import process. We can read it, a file, a text file, or we can get the data from a SQL database. In this scenario, we are going to open or use the CSV file that we just exported. So we go to that folder where we have our opportunity CSV file. We have that one record that we exported earlier, and then we changed a few fields. We changed the close amount to show 1200, and we also have notes. We said close last Friday. We save and exit, next, and finish. DBX offers us some default formatting, so we just click OK. So now this is the import contact data utility. It simply shows us the field mappings that we can use when we import the data into Goldmine. We inspect the field mappings. We have the account now. We have the record ID. So that will guarantee us that when we import, we are going to be updating the specific records that match the values of the account now and the record ID. We are also importing the close amount. So we expect that the close amount that's currently in Goldmine, right now it's 900, will change to 1200. And also that in the Notes tab, for the particular opportunity record, it should have this new note that says close last Friday. So we don't have to do anything here at the moment. We just simply save and close. So now we are ready to import the data and update Goldmine. So we simply click on Run Process. Switch to Goldmine and refresh. So notice now that the close amount is set at 1200. Refresh our notes, and now a new note has been added, close last Friday.